Welcome to the deep dive. You know, thinking like a manufacturing executive, you hear lights out manufacturing, and it sounds like the ultimate goal, right? A factory that just, well, runs itself.
Exactly. Peak efficiency, almost total economy.
But how do you actually get there? That's what we want to unpack today, the practical side of achieving that level of automation.
Right. So fundamentally, lights out means your production line is handled mostly by robotic systems and smart machinery.
Minimal human intervention, basically.
Pretty much. The robots doing assembly, moving materials, even quality control, all working together without much need for people on the floor.
Okay, so we're talking way beyond just like one robot arm doing one task.
Oh, absolutely. It's about fully automated processes. And crucially, automated inspection systems watching everything.
Ah, the inspection piece. So it's not just doing the work, but checking it too. What happens if something's not quite right?
Well, that's the really clever part, autonomous process control.
Okay.
The inspection systems and the robots, they talk to each other instantly. So if an inspection finds a potential issue, maybe a slight misalignment,
Yeah.
the robot can actually adjust what it's doing on its own. Maybe it tweaks the next assembly or flags a potential machine issue, all without a person stepping in. It's like built-in defect prevention.
Wow, okay. That's sophisticated. And I've heard the term advanced robotic machine tending. How does that fit in?
Right. So that involves using both heavy-duty industrial robots and sometimes collaborative ones, the kind that can work near people, though ideally people aren't there much. And these are all orchestrated by essentially robotic productions software. Think of it like a central brain coordinating everything, telling the robots what parts to load, when to unload, keeping the machines fed.
So the end game really is minimal human involvement on the floor.
That's the vision, yeah. A factory that can potentially run 24/7, without worrying about human shifts or limitations. That continuous operation is a massive plus.
From that executive viewpoint, the benefits must be pretty compelling then. What are the big ones?
Oh, they're substantial. You get, obviously, much higher production capacity. Quality and yields improve dramatically because of the consistency. Robots don't have off days, right?
Right.
Safety generally goes up too, removing people from potentially hazardous tasks. And better resource use often means better sustainability. It all adds up to, well, healthier margins.
So it's really about creating this interconnected system. Robots, machines, inspection, all communicating and adjusting autonomously.
Exactly, a fully automated, autonomous ecosystem. And, it's important to remember, this isn't a switch you flip.
Right. It's a process.
Definitely. It's an ongoing journey of adding automation, refining it, making the system smarter over time, not a one-time project.
Okay, that makes sense. So the key takeaway here is that lights out, while it sounds futuristic, is actually a tangible goal for manufacturing execs, driven by advanced robotics and this autonomous control.
Precisely. It's achievable. And actually, for listeners interested in really digging into that autonomous control aspect, how you make the robots and inspection work together so effectively.
Yeah.
There's a great resource, a white paper called Using Robotics and Automated Inspection in Manufacturing to Achieve Autonomous Process Control. It dives much deeper into that specific mechanism.
Good to know. We'll make sure that's available. It really is fascinating to think about where all this is heading, isn't it? The constant evolution. Thanks for breaking that down today.
My pleasure. It's definitely an exciting field.